Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM, guys. Absolutely, this video is very important, very helpful video for all of you guys, not only for Stellar XLM, because in this video I'm discuss about Stellar XLM future move. And guys, if you want to profit from crypto market, so you have to watch this video complete, because in this video I will completely guide you that what is the best way to make money in a crypto, guys. So guys, first of all, you have to remember this tip, this trick in a crypto market. You have, as you know about crypto market, if you study for some time. So you know what I found, I have 2 years experience in crypto. I found, guys, crypto market, every coin pump in the start of month or at the last of month. As you can see here, guys, now it is the last days of October, so you found Stellar XLM in the positive changes. Just look here, guys, the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, in the last of month or in the beginning of month, you found coin positive, but in the mid of month sometime you found neutral, sometime you found going down. But it is very low that you found in the mid of month crypto positive. It's very low, guys. Let me show you some of the price chart. You can see here, guys. Now you know what, guys, from 1st October Stellar XLM price pump, but just look here, gradually, slowly the price start moving upward. And just look here, after 10 days I will again show you this price chart. You found that from this point the Stellar XLM going straight to the moon, guys. So guys, possibilities, my prediction is going positive about Stellar, and I believe, guys, that for a long time Stellar will continue this pump. So I recommend for all of you, it's time to hold, it's time to invest in a Stellar XLM. Anyways, please do your own research. If you want, invest.